Hello everyone, welcome to the latest episode of Man Overboard 50 Ain't Nothing But a Number, yo, with your host, Language Barrel. On this channel, we'll be presenting properties for sale in Europe. We'll also list some potential business opportunities in Europe, and we'll list possible places for retirement outside of the U.S. But the main focus of this channel is going to be for individuals who, after the age of 50, who have decided to change what they do, what they believe, where they live, or who they are. If you're such an individual that has made such changes and you're willing to come on camera to share your experience, we welcome the chance to share your experiences with those who could benefit from them. My contact information will be listed in the description. Some mistakenly think that the greatest impact they can have on another is the sharing of their financial resources. We believe that the greatest impact you're going to have on another's life is the sharing of your time and your experiences. So if you're ready, let's get it, and get into the show. Hello everyone, welcome to the latest episode of Man Overboard 50 Ain't Nothing But a Number, yo, with your host, Language Barrel. On this week's episode, we're going to be bringing you a property located in Cavaliere, Martino Mansa, Centra, Taviano. It is currently listed for €60,000, which is about 66,000 US dollars. 3-room, 100 square meters, which is 1,000 square feet, 1 bathroom, no elevator, balcony, and a terrace. Brief description of the property. The town Taviano, which is a population of about 12,000 people, is a small semi-central area, and they're going to offer an independent townhouse on 3 levels, comprising on the first floor an entrance hall with access to a comfortable staircase, living room with kitchenette, bathroom, hallway, 2 bedrooms, an external rear uncovered area for a surface of approximately 75 square meters or 750 square feet. On the ground floor, there's a large garage, approximately 100 square meters, which is approximately 1,000 square feet, which in turn leads to a cellar below approximately 30 square meters or 300 square feet. The property requires some renovation, adaptation of all systems as they do not comply with current regulations. All utilities present with the exception of methane gas. Solar area of exclusive property is located as an energy class G. So if you're ready, let's get it, and get into the property. First up, you're going to see this looks like a very traditional Italian property, more on the southern Italy, with a tremendous amount of pictures and photography in the living space. Second picture is a picture leading from the entry hall from the front door. Third, you can see it's a bit overwhelming with all the stuff they have in the property. That stuff will be cleared out obviously before someone purchases it. Next, you're going to look at an office space used currently as an office space. This is the hallway leading from the entrance from outdoors. Again, this is the office space. Remember, this is a 3-bedroom property. Again, this is the entryway from the outdoors. This is a picture of the bathroom. Again, a picture of the bathroom. It actually looks like a wet room, so you can see the shower is really almost above the toilet. So they mentioned in the description that it would require some renovation. Again, this is a picture of the main living space. You can see with all the awards. Again, this would be cleared out prior to someone purchasing the property. This is the lower level that they mentioned previously. This is the stairway leading to the first level, which is the first floor up from the ground floor. You can see the marble stairs. Picture of the outside, the garage, and picture of the first floor with the front entrance leading into the property. This is the picture of the huge terrace. I think that they listed as 100 square meters, which is approximately 1,000 square feet. Again, the picture of the terrace, huge with very good views. Again, the huge rooftop terrace. This is a picture of the front of the property. Again, a picture of the front of the property. Next up, you're going to see the floor plan for the property. So in the first image, you'll see the ground floor, the piano terra, or the ground floor, the piano cantina. So there's a little small kitchen area there, but it's a large garage which runs the extent of the property. The next image is going to be of the second floor. And there you're going to see the stairway leading up from the first floor there. And you actually see the floor plan for the property. So you'll see the cottura or the bed. You see the pranzo, ingresso, entrance, the studio, and the letto. Okay, let's take a little brief look of Taviano. That's where the property is located. Take a brief look at some images here. Looks like a Christmas image, the town square, skies. This looks like some type of market. Again, the town square. As I mentioned before, they have approximately a population of about 12 to 13,000 people, so it's not a small town. Okay, let's go back and look at some directions here. So as you can see, we'll put in train station. I like to see how far train stations are from properties. So as you can see here, the train station looks like it's about 6 minutes by car. There's a train station in Melisano. I think there's actually another train station which is about 4 minutes away, not quite in Taviano, but somewhere along this interstate there's another train station which is 4 minutes away. Now we like to plug in the airports and see how far the airport is away. So according to this map, the closest is going to be the Brindisi Airport, which is about an hour 4 minutes away, about 93 kilometers. Okay, the closest hospital looks like it's about 14 minutes away, 13 minutes by car. Cesarano, it looks like that's the closest hospital. Let's look at, what do we like to look at? Let's look at dentists. Let's see if there's a dentist close by. Restaurants. So as you can see, there's quite a few restaurants. There's some bed and breakfast. There's some hotels. Again, this town is 12,000 people. We're going to pick a restaurant. Looks like Patizio Taviano. Let's open that up and see. It's a beautiful patio here. Let's see if we can see some food. Oh, that's some croissants with chocolat. Yes. And some pizza with prosciutto. Yeah, there we go. And some tasty breakfast treats there. Okay, oh, that's wood fired. They have a wood fired pizza oven there. So it's actually a nice sized town. Again, it's about 12 to 13,000 people. Has a train station within 6 minutes and a hospital within 13 minutes or 12 minutes. It has an airport. It's about an hour away though. That's about the closest large airport. So this is actually not an isolated town, and the property appears to be a good value. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next episode. Ciao for now.